Any trouble? Rider of Ishi on his mount inside stall number 1. So the line is set for the first race of the afternoon, a 7-furlong contest. Starter waiting to release them, and he does it. Away they jump out, and missing it by more than 2 lengths is the favorite Rani Ruckus. With 9 of them have taken a level jump. Among them, the old fella Peanut Tubu shows the way by about a length and a half. From Mausa on the outside is Shivalik Model. Therefore, between the runners is NRI Star racing towards the 1100, crossing it at the moment. They followed then by Natu being pushed, Battle on the outside. Then comes Deccan Ranger, Bold Indian, followed by the second in demand, Ishi, another 2 away. The favorite Rani Ruckus is last nearly 10 lengths from the leader, and the leader is Pinatubo, enjoying the lead by about 2 to the good of her. Quite handy in second in pursuit now is NRI Star, followed by slightly pushed towards the fence. Natu on the outside comes Shivalik Model, relegating on the between the runners. Mausa on the improve. They followed then by Battle on. The one on the outside is Deccan Ranger, 4 horses wide on a safe passage. Then comes Ishi as they start to negotiate the turn, and Rani Ruckus is last. Inside the last 2 furlong there is now, and NRI Star tackles Pinatubo and surges into the lead by about 2 lengths in front of Mausa, hard at work. Surtu on the outside is Deccan Ranger, Bold Indian, Natu. Ishi towards the fence, Battle on. Rani Ruckus is totally out of contention. Inside the last furlong now, and NRI Star has assumed the command and going away by about 5-6 lengths in front of a late charge by Ishi. Then there is Deccan Ranger, followed by Bold Indian. NRI Star triumphs in the opener by a margin of 5 from Ishi, followed by Deccan Ranger, Bold Indian, Mausa, Rani Ruckus. Then came Pinatubo, followed by Natu, Battle on, and Shivalik Model yet to cross the line. So NRI Star, that's the handling by an ace rider, we can say. The credit maximum to be given for Pete Trevor. May I have your attention, please? Here are the judges' placings for the first race of the afternoon. Number 6, NRI Star first. Number 3, Ishi second. Number 10, Deccan. May I have your attention, please? Mr. D. Bharat Bhushan Reddy Stewart, Hyderabad Race Club, will now present the Delhi Race Club Cup, won by NRI Star, owned by Mr. Meka Nitish Reddy. Trained by M. Srinivas Reddy.